Hold center line, verify benchmark.
Target depth 8 meters confirmed. Maintain heading, current shifting.
Trucks on the mat road.
Moisture okay, continue.
Widen here, crawler crane needs room. Tag line tight, hold the lead.
Confirm pile grid, A1 to A12.
Buoy on target, mark as pier line 1.
Stay out of swing, watch the edge. Rain's here, secure the slope.
Interlock engaged, drive to line. Torque stripe every bolt, no misses.
Piezometer down, safe to proceed.
Pile A03 next, verify vertical. Flurry at spec, continue to bearing. Easy down, keep it centered. Keep Tremmy buried, no segregation.
Confirmed, flow rate steady.
Record as built, pile A03 complete.
Stop there, hit formation level.
Expose pile tops, leave clean ring. Lap length good, tie every intersection. Check elevation again. Vibrate corners, no honeycombing. Cure coverage complete. Log start time.
Maturity trend good. Keep curing steady.
Water stop aligned. Close forms slowly.
Pat marked areas. Photo every repair.
Drain board continuous. No gaps.
Cover 75 millimeter, adjust spacers now. Tie off 100%, no exceptions. Coupler torque logged, move to next.
Embeds verified. Ready for pour.
Keep head moving, no segregation.
At 300 millimeters, check level. Within tolerance, continue climbing cycle. Cover tight. Keep mix protected. Mirror the cycle, B-lift 1 tonight. Clear below, mast section coming down. Plate azimuth set, lock it in place.
Marker lights on, channel kept clear.
Four window confirmed. Truck staggered. Wind over limit, lock down the deck.
Hit the mark. Finish to lift line.
Confirmed serials, anchor boxes match shop list.
Stage segment S01 near the river ramp.
Rib spacing holds. Tack and recheck. Indication here, grind and re-weld.
That's green. Proceed with first pick. Full swing, bring it over center line. Match marks aligned, tighten in sequence.
Camber on target, lock the bearings.
Strand 1 through, mark and log.
No kinks, keep strands on rollers.
Seat faces clean. Install wedges next.
Socket seated, torque to spec now. Damper at 8.2 meters, lock clamps evenly.
Hold read, elongation and deflection.
Wedges set, no slip, proceed. Balance segment set after hold point. Gap uniform, tighten the final torque.
Preheat confirmed. Start route pass.
Clean between passes, no slag trapped.
Set guide to angle, match semi-fan line.
Strand 12 in, pause and inspect.
Even heat, no bubbles, full seal. Torque stripe complete, move to next damper.
Hold at 60%, read deck elevation. Guardrails up, open platform for cable crew.
Seat wedges. Confirm no slip on release.
Seal continuous, no gaps around cap.
Sensor live. Log baseline reading now.
B-side, strand 8 through, keep pace.
Cover secure, open work lane for crews. Return steady, anchorage fully filled.
Tag sealed. Log batch number and time.
Quality before speed.
Target gap set. Hold camber to table.
Symmetry check. Match strand count, both sides.
Two millimeters up, hold there.
Closure bolts complete. Stripe and record. Sealed. Confirm drain slope. Weld out and cap ends.
Coat thickness in range. Keep wet edge.
Stray, add beads immediately.
Two, handle the touch-up on pylon 4.
This is it. Clear all drains, no debris left.
Bridge open. Stand by and monitor.
Subscribe, like, and share.